A Course in Miracles Workbook, Lesson 27. Above all else, I want to see. Today's idea expresses something stronger than mere determination. It gives vision priority among your desires. You may feel hesitant about using the idea on the grounds that you are not sure you really mean it. This does not matter. The purpose of today's exercise is to bring the time when the idea will be wholly true a little nearer. There may be a great temptation to believe that some sort of sacrifice is being asked of you when you say you want to see above all else. If you become uneasy about the lack of reservation involved, add, vision has no cost to anyone. If fear of loss still persists, add further, it can only bless. The idea for today needs many repetitions for maximum benefit. It should be used at least every half hour and more if possible. You might try for every 15 to 20 minutes. It is recommended that you set a definite time interval for using the idea when you wake or shortly afterwards, and attempt to adhere to it throughout the day. It will not be difficult to do this even if you are engaged in conversation or otherwise occupied at the time. You can still repeat one short sentence to yourself without disturbing anything. The real question is, how often will you remember? How much do you want today's idea to be true? Answer one of these questions, and you have answered the other. You will probably miss several applications, and perhaps quite a number. Do not be disturbed by this, but do try to keep on your schedule from then on. If only once during the day you feel that you were perfectly sincere while you were repeating today's idea, you can be sure that you have saved yourself many years of effort. Now, close your eyes. And for this video, we will take a few deep breaths. Breathe in deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4. And breathe out. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. And out. 2, 3, 4. Feel the breath in. 2, 3, 4. And feel it out. 2, 3, 4. In. 2, 3, 4. And out. 2, 3, 4. Now say to yourself, above all else, I want to see. Vision has no cost to anyone. It can only bless. This concludes Lesson 27. You can utilize this video throughout the day or just repeat it to yourself at any moment. It can be done without disturbing anything. Do try to do it every 15 to 30 minutes. This idea gives vision priority among your desires.